Hello, it's been a while. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a little different video. It's not really affordable makeup or skincare, but it's some skincare that I recently bought that I think has been doing pretty well. Like, I am completely barefaced right now. I have one little pimple here. Let me just show you in like natural lighting. So it's not the best, it's not amazing, but I feel like it's been feeling nicer. I know I look like a champu right now, but I just put like oil in my hair and did a head massage because my hair is falling so bad. Like, it's takli ho rahi hu main. Like, my hair has gotten like adha. By the time that I finished my MBBS, my hair has gotten adha, half. Like, I'm able to do this now. Like, before, my hair wouldn't even like let my fingertips touch. So I've been trying to take care of my hair and skin a little more because I feel like I'm kind of fulfilled on the makeup front. I don't feel like buying any more makeup, which is weird because I always want to buy more makeup. The only thing that I feel like buying sometimes now and then is a lipstick shade, because that's the only thing that's getting like finished, and I want to try new ones. I pretty much have every single blush shade that I will ever need for at least 10 years, I feel. Eyeliners, I keep changing. Mascaras, you keep changing. I mean, I use the same one, and I don't feel like they're good enough that I recommend them to you, and I personally use them over and over again too. I don't keep switching up my products. So if I find anything that's amazing and I need to get it, I will tell you. But other than that, right now I'm trying to focus a little bit on my skincare and my hair care, and hopefully it will start showing its effects soon. So the oldest one that I got first, this was very hyped up and stuff on the internet, was the green tea seed hyaluronic serum by Innisfree. Now this is kind of pricey, not gonna lie. This was gifted to me. I am very grateful for that, but this really plumps your skin up. It's great for like makeup pe pehle makes your face look so glowy. It looks nice, but I don't know, like, I feel like if I have to have my skin looking really shiny and nice and plump the next day. If I use this the day before, then it looks nice. It works, I guess. Not really sure about that. Then, I mean, it's great. It's a good product, but I don't know if it's worth the money. So I definitely think that you should try something else. Like, it's really good, but at the same time, I don't know if any of the products are worth the money yet. Like, if I see intense change, sorry, there's a bird over there and I keep getting distracted. I'll tell you. Then we had this Tony Moly toner, the tea tree pore fresh toner. It smells, you can actually smell the tea tree like oil or whatever they're using. This smell is like very, I like the smell though. Shampoo vibe going on, like sorry. So I'm pretty sure it's for your pores, right? Let me just, oh my god, I have so much hanging off of my mirror. Also, I have this Hello Kitty mirror, and it's the most adorable thing. This is the one thing that I will never regret purchasing in my entire life. Look at it. It's so freaking cute. Sorry. Oh, that. Okay, so let me see my pores and examine them. See if I see any difference. Okay. I've been using this for the last week or so, and I definitely think that it's helped with my pores, because Okay, it's also this one, and it could also be the exfoliating serum by Dr. Shade. Let me just look that one up real quick. The gentle peel, yes, gentle peel. If I fall asleep with that on, the next day my pores are like gone. I don't know why, it works on my pores a lot. I feel like it takes away a lot of texture. Oh, they have a sale going on. They have a buy one get one sale going on, so that's nice. So I'd really recommend you getting that. Let me show you it. Let me go. This is the one, and it is really good. It has lactic acid, glycolic acid, which is the main exfoliating thing. It has quite a bit of product. Oh god, please don't tell me I'm using an expired. Okay, I'm not using an expired product. I was so scared, but it's so freaking good. Like this one, I can see instant results. This is the first skincare product that made me be like, you know, this is the shiz. Then I got this ceramide mochi ampule. I'm sorry, but as soon as I see anything mochi, it is so like, it just makes me want to buy it because I want mochi skin. And oh wait, it smells so nice. It smells like Fruit Loops almost. I guess it's pretty good. Do you think my skin is like mochi? I don't know, but yeah, they have a bunch of claims. Let me just, oh wait, I can just search up the claims and tell you. I wanted a ceramide product because I wanted to help with my skin barrier. Sometimes I feel like a lot of makeup, and sometimes if I like, you know, just mess up something and I feel like something's off, like you just know, okay, huh? Like usually if your skin is dry and suddenly it gets very oily, I feel like something is off, and I usually use this or the gentle peel, and it usually helps my skin come back to normal in a couple of days. Improves complexion for transparent and clearer skin with brightening ingredients. Ingredients are ceramide and vitamin B5, hyaluronic acid, 7 types of hyaluronic acid. So I guess you might not like this if you're oily skin type, because I mean, I don't know, if you really want to integrate hyaluronic acid into your what do you say, skincare routine, then I'm guessing that's great. Let me see. Okay, for the tea tree pore fresh toner, it says it's soothing, tea tree energy. Like, give me better claims than that. And pore care and fresh, it cools and effectively ties up the skin. Okay, this I knew. It felt like very nice and cold. Like it really cooled down my skin when I was applying it. Okay, so I have this. It's the Choc green tea watery lotion. Choc. I'm sure you're so cute, sorry. But yes. Okay, it says it has pure fermented green tea extract, lemon seed oil, rosewood oil, antifungal, antibacterial, soothing and reviving. Instead of distilled water, it contains 100% pure green tree ferment extract. I don't know what that means, but I mean, if it's making it more effective, that's great. I feel like if you're just one person who just likes to use a moisturizer and your dry skin, you won't like this, because as you can see, it's not okay. It's not like it's bilkul moisture nahi, but just okay, see how it blends in. Okay, you go like this, it's gone. It's like actual watery lotion. I haven't put anything on, so I'm gonna, I'm sorry, but I don't understand. Okay, influencers who put a huge ass pump, like पूरा सा 2-4 pump डाल के, like it's expensive. And people are like, oh, if you can't afford it, then don't use it. It's like, no, it's not like that. It's like okay to try out products. You just don't need to waste them. But it probably looks so weird. This also smells nice and green tea-y. Just like it smells like the tea tree and ceramide wala mix karke smell aayegi. I don't know, but it's like not, it's not too watery. Like, I feel like it provides enough. I think combination skin types would really like this, but might not be enough for super dry skin. I feel like oily skin people might like it because it's pretty watery. This is how my skin looks afterwards. This is the only thing I have, and it makes it pretty glowy, I guess. After using these, I'm realized my skin has not stopped being dry. I have to say that. Also, I got this sample free. It's the vitamin C green tea enzyme brightening serum. Usually I've heard that you don't use vitamin C serum if it gets oxidized yellowish brownish color. So I was so scared. I'm like, what have they given me? Because under they see it looks like it's oxidized. But then I brought it out and I'm like, is it though? I'm not sure. If someone has got a fresh piece, not a fresh piece, if they've gotten the large full size, could you tell me if this is the actual color inside the bottle? It doesn't smell wonky or weird or anything, but I'm just curious. I feel like you don't need all of these. I just got a little excited, wanted to dabble a bit into it, but I think it's not that bad either. I think amongst all of these, this hyaluronic acid serum is unnecessary for me because I feel like I have green tea in this, I have tea tree in this, and I have a good amount of hyaluronic acid in the mochi serum. It's pretty hydrating by itself. I don't think I need special, like, I don't see any I didn't see extremely long-term changes in this, and it's true that I didn't really use it very regularly and I'm to blame, but it's just much more expensive than the other products, okay? And I don't know if it's worth it. The most bang for your buck definitely has to be this. If you're new to it, don't use it more than like once or twice a week. Even I still use it once or twice a week because I forget. Even though it's really gentle, it didn't irritate my skin. Maybe it might have like burned a slight bit when I started like using it, but abhi it's just like lotion. It doesn't feel like anything. Oh my god, my hair is such a mess. I can't believe I'm filming a video like this. Okay, I do have one piece of makeup on, my lipstick. It's I've lined my lips and I've used the Milani color Fetish lipstick. Something smells so good. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Anyways, that was my little recent skincare haul. I'll keep you guys updated, hopefully. Keep commenting or something so I come back to it and give you updates. Yeah, but I'm very hopeful for these right now. That's a tiny little review sesh. Oh my god, it's already 17 minutes long. Bye. You're gonna hate me. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video. Please give me inspiration to make more videos. I cannot compete with these neck hauls in the morning routines, and I do not have a camera and my phone. I don't have a tripod either. Kill me. Bye.